Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are doing a get ready with me style video featuring only clean beauty products. So I've been wanting to do this video for a while because I've been trying to incorporate more clean beauty products into my routine. My skin has been a lot more sensitive. I don't know if it's just because I'm getting older or what, but that's why I've been using more clean beauty products. So I wanted to do a video using only clean beauty products. So if you guys are interested in that, that's what we're doing today. So I will say in this video, a lot of them are going to be kind of first impressions, and then there's also a few products in here that I know and I love. So I'm gonna hop right into it. Before we get started, I am going to take my vitamins because that is part of clean beauty. Beauty starts from the inside out. Very sentimental here. So this video is sponsored by Care of. I've talked about them before and I wanted to share them with you guys. Where are they? So here's the box that they come in. They ship them straight to your door. I love that. They're super convenient and they come in these little packs. So I will take these out and show you guys, but I really like that they come in a pack. I feel like that just makes it easier to have it all in one place. So here are my vitamins. If you guys can see, I take a bunch of them. I think there's 6 in here, and I have ones for magnesium, B complex, probiotics, digestive enzymes, hair, skin, and nails. And I will say that I stopped taking these for like a month or so to see if I noticed a difference, and I really did. So I wanted to kind of like test it out and try. So I love the vitamins. I definitely noticed a difference in my energy levels, my mood, my sleep habits, and obviously my hair, skin, and nails are overall better when I'm taking them. So if you guys want to get 25% off your first order, go to takecareof.com and use my code SMLX0. All you have to do is go to the website. They ask you a bunch of questions. It's like a 5-minute quiz and they personalize everything for you. So yeah, now that we have our vitamins in, we are going to get into the rest of the look. So first we're going to start off with primer. This one is from the brand Ren, and this is their Perfect Canvas Primer. I have talked about this before. I haven't talked about it recently, but I have mentioned it before, and I do really like it. It's a very thin, silicone-free formula, and you really don't need a lot, but it is like a skincare product and like a serum built into a primer. So I really like this, and it creates a nice base for makeup, obviously. Then for foundation, I mentioned this in my September favorites, but this is the Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation. So this, again, is infused with anti-aging properties. It has an anti-aging serum built in. So again, very good for your skin. And I do really love how this wears. I love the finish of it and the coverage. It's very nice. It is expensive, I will say that, but it is really nice. So I am in the shade SF7 Catalina. A lot of the products in this video are from Ilia, and I wanted to make it like a one brand video, but I just didn't have enough, and they don't carry it at my Sephora, so we are incorporating other brands. I did start with my brows already done because I don't have a clean beauty brow product. So if you have one that you like, please recommend it. So that's what it looks like all blended out. I really do like the finish of it, the coverage, and for me it lasts all day. If you have super oily skin, I'm not really sure. I am normal to combination, but for me it wears really nicely. Then the concealer is also from Ilia. It's the coordinating concealer that goes with that foundation. I am in the shade KAVA SC3. And again, I really like this. It wears nicely on me. It doesn't crease. It doesn't irritate my sensitive eyes. And the coverage is, I would say it's more like medium, but it's definitely buildable. And I like to apply a lot of concealer because it just adds dimension. I don't really need coverage in any areas but the under eyes and this pimple up here, but I just like the brightening effect. I will say that the shades of the concealer run really dark, so whatever you think your shade is, go the lighter one, because I also have it in the nutmeg shade, and this is like the color of my skin. I'm just going to blend that out. And as you can see, it's not super brightening because even this shade isn't really that light, so I probably could even go a shade lighter. But it blends really nicely. The next product needs no introduction. If you are a regular watcher of my videos, this is the Ilia Soft Focus Setting Powder. It's amazing. You need it. That's all I have to say. It's amazing. It makes your face look airbrushed. So I'm just going to set the concealer with that because, oh, I put way too much on. It's okay though. But I'm just going to set the concealer areas. I'm not going to bring it too low because I'm going to be using a cream blush today. So next from Ilia as well is the Color Haze Multi Matte Pigments. So I have tried this before. I've only tried this shade, which is called Stutter, but these are gorgeous. You can use these on the eyes. You can use these on the chicks. Well, you can use them on chicks because I'm a chick. You can use them on your lips, cheeks. I'm not even sure what I was trying to say there. So here are the 3 shades that I have: Temptation, Stutter, and Sing. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to use the one that I already know that I love, which is called Stutter. And I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand first. And you can use your fingers for this, but I just kind of prefer a brush. And this is from IT Cosmetics. And you can just apply it. And then you can like buff it in. It's kind of similar in tone to the Nude Sticks Sunkissed blush stick thing that I love. This is just so beautiful, and it dries kind of like to a soft powder finish, and it just looks so natural. And when we go and set the rest of our face, the brightness of this will be toned down a little bit, but I just wanted to show you guys. Who am I kidding? I apply a ton of blush always. I'm not gonna try to pretend that I didn't do that on purpose. Then I have these. I have not tried these out yet, but they are the Liquid Light Serum Highlighters. So I'm gonna use this one. It's kind of like a rose gold. And I'm gonna apply this on the top of my cheekbones and see what happens. I don't love that. I feel like this would be really pretty like underneath your foundation, but it definitely like moved that product around, that cheek product. So we're not going to be using that today, but I'm just going to go over with my brush and kind of fix that. All right, so I had to go and fix all that. It was not turning out pretty. So before I move on, I'm just going to set the rest of my face with a little bit of that powder on this big fluffy brush. Then for bronzer, I'm going to go in with one of my favorite bronzers of the moment, not just clean beauty wise, just overall in general life. This is the Sun-Kissed Bronzing Duo from KAVA FX. KAVA FX is one of my favorite clean beauty brands. So next for eyeshadows, I have 2 palettes to choose from. Both are from Ilia. One is a warm nude palette and the other is a cool nude palette. So I think I'm gonna go with this just because I have been doing warm nudes the past few videos, the past like 10 years, whatever. So I'm gonna try to do a cooler eye and hope for the best. So I'm first taking the neutral nudish shade and I'm putting that all over the lid and up to the brow bone. Next, I'm going in with that light lavenderish shade in the crease. And I have not used this palette yet, so we'll see. I don't think I've ever used a clean eyeshadow. Except for like Tarte. Is Tarte considered clean with their eyeshadows? I know some of their products are. Also, I thought that like all Bare Mineral products were clean. They're not. Even their powders like have talc in them. Like what the heck? Then I'm going in with that grayish taupe shade. Same brush. And I'm putting that in the outer part of the crease. This actually seemed to be blending pretty well so far. This brush is from Real Techniques. the multitask eye brush. I don't think they make it anymore, which it drives me insane because it's my favorite brush and I don't think you guys can get it. I'm then gonna go in with that burgundy shade. Ooh. That's really pretty actually. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of that into the crease as well. And I'm like tapping these off on my hand because they're actually like super pigmented and I don't wanna add too much. Then I'm gonna take my finger and go in with that shimmery shade. They're not super metallic. I noticed that when I was swatching, but they are pretty. They're just not like sparkly. Like more of like a soft metallic. Which I feel like would be more friendly on like more mature eyes. Like if you have like a lot of like looser skin or like texture on your eyes, that would probably be a little more friendly than something more shimmery. But the pigment is totally there. Like these look really, really, really nice. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of that dark sparkly purple because why not? We're using like every other shade. So I'm just gonna put that on the lower lash line. And then on the upper outer lash line too. We'll smudge it. So then I'm going to try out their Clean Line Liquid Liner. This is a black color. This is what the tip looks like, kind of just like a basic felt tip. I'm actually pretty sensitive to liquid liners. A lot of times when I take them off, I have like this red outline on my lids, and I'm pretty sure it's from the liner. But this is nice. It's pretty easy to use. I mean, no liquid liner is like easy, but it does apply really nicely. It's very matte. So it does not look perfect, but that is not the liner's fault. That is my fault. And I did my best. So we're not going to beat ourselves up over it. So we're looking kind of matte right now. So I'm actually going to go in and add a little bit of illuminating powder. And this is the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Powder. So I don't have an actual highlighter to try. I was kind of banking on these liquid ones, but that did not work out. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this and use it as my highlighter today. So when you apply it with a fluffy brush, it's very diffused. And then when you use a smaller brush, obviously you can make it a little bit more intense. So it's not going to add like a blinding highlight, but you're still going to see that glow. So you can use it all over and it's not going to be too shimmery, but you can also just place it wherever else for a soft highlight. Pop some of that on my inner corner too. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a lot of mascara, and I'm using the Ilia After Midnight mascara. I have talked about this before. I love it. This is what the brush looks like. So it has a bunch of different sides, and it's really, really good. So we're almost done. Now we're going to do the lips. I don't have a Clean Beauty lip liner. I really couldn't find any. I think the only one that I saw on Sephora was from Bite Beauty. And again, we don't have that near me. So actually, one of my favorite lipsticks that I've been raving about for years is a Clean Beauty lipstick. And those are the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Color Splash lipsticks. So I love these. I love the color Siesta, Rum Punch, Beach Babe, Colada. All these colors are so good. So I'm actually going to try to use this darker one called Beach Waves, which is like this really dark kind of like grayish brown color. And I'm just going to go above my lip line. So that's kind of way too creamy to use as a lip liner, but whatever. Then the color for the lipstick is called Beach Babe. This is so like old and like rotten, but I refuse to buy more. So hopefully it's not like a health hazard. Then lastly, I'm going to do some setting spray, and I'm pretty sure this is a clean beauty product. It's from the brand Sweet Chef. It's the Vitamin D and Chill Mist. I'm pretty sure that this is marketed as a clean beauty brand. If not, I know that the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea setting spray is also a clean beauty product. I just don't happen to know where the heck it is. So I'm going to use this. Also, I think Cover FX makes a bunch, but I have not tried them. All right, so I just threw on some hoops really quick to complete the whole look. Also, one last thing I wanted to mention before I run out the door. This is a clean beauty product. Also, it's a perfume. It's called Vanilla Woods. The brand is 7 Virtues, and oh my goodness. This smells, oh my god, so good. It reminds me of like some sort of like fall dessert, like maybe like apple crisp over vanilla ice cream. I don't know, but it smells amazing. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Overall, I'm very impressed, especially with the eyeshadow, because I have not tried the eyeshadow palette yet, but I actually really like how this look turned out, and it blended really well. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what some of your favorite clean beauty products are, and I will see you guys next time.
Mr. Clean, Mr. Clean. But have you ever noticed that Mr. Clean has amazing skin? Like, he's an old dude, but he has like glowing, perfect skin. I would be down to hear Mr. Clean's beauty regimen because he looks fantastic. Like, what about a magic eraser for the face?